Hey there, sorry if I'm blowing on the mic too much. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to mod Gamerscore because my friend told me to. Well, I listen to him a lot, so yeah, don't mind this folder. Okay, make sure your USB is plugged in right. Now, go to USB Explorer. Everything will be in the description. File, open device. Mine's already open. This should come up. Double click it. Look for your profile. All these E's are profiles, so mine's this one. Double click it, double click that, double click that. This is your profile. Highlight it, extract to desktop. It's right here already. It's right here. Okay, now minimize that. Open up your profile editor. Open your profile here. Just wait for it to load. Wait for it to load up. And I'm sorry if I'm blowing on. I'm sorry if I'm blowing on the mic. So yeah, if you want to mod, for example, Splinter Cell, you just click unlock all. And you can't see it on yours, you will, because mine's high resolution. So yeah, but click yes, then click set. Okay, that's what you do. Now what you want to do here is just save after you've done all your games and stuff, and wait for it to load up again right here. Okay, now that it's loaded up, just close it and close that down. Now go to Modio. This is your modded profile. Nothing will change. Only this folder will come up, but don't just ignore it. Drag your profile in here, and your gamer picture will appear. Rehash and re-sign it. It will make this weird noise right there, and just close that down too. Open up USB Explorer. You delete. Hold up. I think I'm gonna have to do it all over again. Don't matter. And now, okay, I'll open it up again. Okay, just go through all the steps again. Just press delete. Oh, something's wrong with it. So just then press inject. Then put that one. Wait for this thing to load up, and then just close that down. Mine's already in there. It's modded now. Just close it down, and you can remove your hard drive, and that's about it. I'll leave my regular gamer tag in the description so that I could do mods for you if you don't get me or questioning, whatever. You can message me on my Xbox Live profile. So yeah, subscribe, comment, rate. See you guys next time. Later. Peace out.